Ooh, it's good to be back in racing again. Did you try my organic fuel, man? Yes, Fillmore, I did. Now, where's Mater? I want to talk to him. Hello? Mater? 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 Hello? Sorry, buddy. Did you want me? Yes, I did, Mater. Now, did you take my tires? No, I'm wearing mine. Then where are my tires? I don't know. Oh, you don't know where my tires are? Buddy, I'm your best friend. Like I'm gonna take your tires? You're right. Luigi? Yes, a Lightning McQueen. Where are my tires? How am I supposed to know? Well, you're my tire guy. Look, man, I just do your tires. Luigi takes them. That's me. And he puts them in your Mac. Now, this is all Guido. You're right. Guido! Beat stop? Where are my tires? Beat stop. I don't know. Oh, you don't know? You're my tire guy. Pete, stop. What is he saying? He's saying he doesn't trust you anymore because you're accusing him of taking your tires. Boom. Pete, stop. I wish Doc was here. He would always know where my tires were. He is here. Yeah, in a grave. Oh, you're right. Well, he's not really in a grave. He's next to Stanley. Yeah, I can talk to him, but not while he's alive. Come on, man. Dude, come on, man. It's not like he's just gonna come back. Yeah, and I wish that would happen. Lightning McQueen, where are you going? Buddy? If you're leaving, take my organic fuel, man. Back. What? Go now. Where's he going, buddy? Lightning McQueen. Organic fuel. Mr. McQueen. Buddy. Was that my twin brother? Go for Lightning McQueen. 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 We should be safe here. Lightning? I don't know about this. Look, I fired Mac, and I'm gonna fire you too if you don't stay with me. Okay. Now, I need to find out if they're gonna chase me or not. Plus, Sally's missing, and we need to go find her. Oh no, I'm so cold. I need lightning. Lightning. Lightning? Sally? What? Where were you? I was in the Arctic. The Arctic. Yes. Give me a kiss. Well, you're here now. I'm running away from the town. Why? Because they got mad at me. So and I went to go looking for you. Aww. You really do love me? Yep. Now, let's go away. Like for part 2.